Hey there, Joyce here. In today's video, we're going to review this product that I got sent out for review. Let me just show it to you. It comes in this box, and this is what it's included. Let me bring everything out. I'm going to put it right here. It's a wooden desktop shelf. Wooden desktop shelf. Okay, so these are all the pieces, and this is the user manual. Okay, so it has a different ways to assembly, and this is the assembly guide that it has. Okay, so let's just see how it will be best for us to put it. Okay, so let's just go ahead. It is really simple to assembly. So let me show you how it will look like. So this is the simplest way that you can have. You will be putting these right here and the other to the side right here, like so. And this way you can add one right here, one shelf right here in this part. Okay, so right here, this is the first one, and then you put it on the other side, like so. You need to make sure that you enter both sides at the same time. Okay, to do that, it's better to have support in a plain surface. And here is how it looks like. Now you can put it this way, and you can add some things right here, and you can actually add the other side, like these parts on top, maybe either on top or below, or you can use it as a separate shelf right here and have it this way, like this, and the other side here like this. And you can use it either way, and you can make different configurations. This is one way that it can be like this. You can just use it in as a separate shelves, one in maybe one desk and the other one in another desk. You can put it one above the other, like maybe this way, like this, and you have different shelves for different purposes. Okay, it is super easy. I will show you how it looks once that it's installed and it's in use.